Hey everyone, welcome back.
Today's English conversation is a very useful one. Booking a hotel room by phone.
You'll learn how to ask for a room, talk about prices, breakfast, and room types.
All with simple, real-life English you can actually use while traveling.
So imagine you're calling a hotel for the weekend.
And let's start the conversation.
Hello, I'd like to book a room for this weekend.
Of course. How many nights will you be staying?
2 nights, from Friday to Sunday.
Do you prefer a single room, a double room, or a suite?
What's the difference?
A single room is for one person, a double room is for two, and a suite is larger and more comfortable.
I'll take a double room.
Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please.
We also offer a room with a city view or a garden view.
I'd like a city view.
Great choice. Can I have your name and phone number?
Sarah Smith, 0712345678.
Your booking is confirmed. We look forward to your stay.
Thank you.
Great job listening until the end.
Now you know how to book a hotel room in English, step by step.
Keep practicing these simple expressions.
And little by little, your English will sound more natural and confident.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you in the next English podcast.